Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to edit photos on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the CapCut application. Hold on until we arrive on the CapCut application. Okay, since we want to edit photo and we want to the end result will be in a photo format, you just need to go explore the hidden features that provided by the CapCut by go click the expand, and now you just need to find a photo editor. Here is the photo editor icon. You just need to click it, and now you just need to find which picture that you want to edit into the CapCut application. So for example, I would like to edit this, and after that you just need to go click edit. Now you can use all of the features that provided by the CapCut here for editing your photos. You can just choose a filters if you want to apply some filters that were provided by the CapCut, or you can also adjusting everything by yourself by click adjust. Okay, let's do an adjust, and we can adjusting. So I would like to make this picture like darker, like have a dark mode. So I would like to drag the shine into the left side as well as the brightness, drag into the left side to reducing the light. And for the exposure, I think I would like to go drag into the left side too to get a dark effects. And for the contrast, I think I would like to make it like into the right side to make it like more contrast. And for the saturation, so I would like to have a like cool tone. Okay, and now you can just do everything that you need for your picture. And after you're done, you just need to go click this done icon here, and after that you just need to go add text. If you want to add a text into your picture, you can just find out the format or the templates if you want to use templates so that you don't need to think by yourself. Okay, let's try this template, and after that you just need to click the information related to the picture. For example, coffee supply, and after that you just need to click done and adjusting the positions for the text writing. And after you're done with everything, satisfied with everything, go click export to export this result. And after you're done, just click done. That's all the way how to edit the picture on a CapCut, guys. So if you find the tutorials today is quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.